A fire broke out at Dow Louisiana chemical facility in Louisiana, the U.S. chemical maker said in a statement late on Friday. Everyone at the facility was accounted for and the fire was being managed by the company's Emergency Operations Center, Dow Louisiana said in a statement posted on Facebook, adding that they were in contact with officials. Explosions at the facility in Iberville Parish shook homes in the nearby state capital, Baton Rouge, WAFB-TV reported. Plant officials said they were still working to assess the cause of the incident, which began around 9:15 p.m. 0215 GMT, the CBS affiliate said. Dow did not immediately respond to a Reuters request for comment. The Iberville Parish Council Office of Emergency Preparedness issued a shelter-in-place for residents in a half-mile radius, officials said in a Facebook post, adding that Dow's air monitoring was not picking up any readings.